we're going to go through the suspension trainer row using my TRX here, and we're also going to go through a quick tip on how you can monitor your progress and make things easier or harder. What we want to do is take our straps and we want to make sure, at least for now, that the straps are in the midway position. That means the loose end is as high as it can be, so then your taut end and your loose end are the same length. So first up, we'll go through the actual row mechanics, and then I'll show you how to make it easier or harder. What we want to do is, once we have found our distance, we want to take a grip with the handles. This can be an underhand grip, an overhand grip, or a neutral grip, whatever you find comfortable. Basically, the most important thing we need to remember is pulling our elbows to behind our ribs. Try not to think too much about getting the hands to the chest. Think about your elbow going behind you. Then this will activate the upper back. The body stays relatively stiff as if they were holding a plank, so we don't want to see any dropping or hyperextending. It's body stiff, elbows behind, breathe out, full stretch, and then elbows behind, breathe out. Now, to set your distance, I tend to use a step count off the wall. So usually, you're going to make this easier by stepping further away and harder by doing less steps off the wall. So go heels to the wall, that's 0, and then heel to toe is step 1, heel to toe is 2, heel to toe is 3, so on and so forth.